Hi there, Nancy Reeves here, your fundraising coach. I want to share with you one quick thought, and that is, I believe every nonprofit leader can secure large gifts for their nonprofit organization. Yes, especially in this environment. So if you've been struggling to connect with donors and you're ready for consistent and stable funding for your nonprofit, learning the know-hows to securing major gifts is one of the best things you can do for your nonprofit and for your career. Once you learn how to secure large gifts, you can do it again and again and again. You create a pipeline of donors willing and able to make a big impact. I raised over $16 million for the organization I launched and ran for 10 years by focusing on large gifts. I know a thing or two about what works and what doesn't when it comes to fundraising. I want to show you how to get started, how to get big results from your fundraising efforts. I have a free training coming up and you don't want to miss it. I'm going to show you the 5 mistakes to avoid and where to focus your attention to bring in big gifts. And even more importantly, I'm going to show you how to start a major donor prospect list. So all you need to do is click the link where you're watching this video and show up to join me live. I can't wait to see you there.